Welcome back to Pinero's Mind, people. I hope everybody's blessed. Now, during this COVID situation, there's been so much stuff that's been going on behind the scenes. You know, a lot of strife going on behind the scenes. Yeah, a lot of people them trying to play God, you know, messing with DNA and things of that nature, you know. But this one here, gotta share this with you guys if you haven't seen this yet. So, yeah, man, there's some serious things going on out here, man. Take a look at this.
So it sounds like something out of a movie. The threat of a bunch of human weapons with biologically enhanced capabilities. Pretty sure that's the plot line to Captain America. But the reality, we might be talking about Captain China. That's according to a new warning from the Director of National Intelligence about the threat from China.
Chinese scientists have announced their development of the most powerful quantum computer in the world. It works 100 trillion times faster than the fastest supercomputers out there. President Xi Jinping has said research and development in quantum science is an urgent matter of national concern, and the country has invested heavily in this technology, spending billions in recent years. It has become a world leader in the field.
This lab in the heart of San Francisco is revolutionizing a way to edit the building blocks of life, our DNA.
To the untrained eye, it may not look like much, but this is now the world's most powerful computer. 20 years in the making, Zhu Zheng is the brainchild of China's top scientists, who are now asserting their dominance in the race for quantum supremacy.
China intends to dominate the world economically, militarily, and technologically. They intend to be the world's superpower.
Biotechnology in its military strategy in order to achieve its ambitions. He has warned that Chinese authorities have been conducting human tests on members of the People's Liberation Army.
And it's trying to make them stronger through, gene editing. And that's just one of the ways that, China is trying to essentially dominate the planet and set the rules in the world order. And why it's so important and people need to understand is this is an authoritarian regime. It doesn't care about people's individual rights.
It comes little more than a year after Google unveiled Sycamore, their own quantum computer.
Google researchers have achieved an incredible breakthrough in quantum computing.
Their machine needed seconds to perform tasks which conventional systems would require thousands of years to do. The Chinese team say their light-based technique is 10 billion times faster than Google's.
It's the first time, or actually the second time to be exact, that we have a quantum computer, a prototype quantum computer, clearly outperforming classical computers. First time was last year in the Google Labs in Santa Barbara, and this is the second time using a very different technology based on photons that a similar experiment has been made.
So I was somewhat skeptical about this claim, but when I started poking around, I found that private American military experts in the think tank world have actually studied this issue and written about it, and they have found that there is ample evidence that Chinese scientists are very interested in applying biotechnology to the battlefield. The CRISPR tool is generally confined to sort of trying to cure genetic mutations and disease and try to improve plants. No one understands the implications of messing with human genes. And so,
for the first time, scientists have used the gene editing technology known as CRISPR inside a patient. The groundbreaking procedure was performed in Oregon.
The human genome is a complex code of 3 billion letters.
It turns out that disease can be caused by just one letter on a sheet like this out of 5 million pages being wrong. And that's enough to cause human disease. And so now, for the first time, we're able to read the whole book, find the one letter that's wrong, and now with CRISPRs, go in and correct it. That's a revolution.
The potential is limitless.
Interesting. I'm going to turn to Alex. The Chinese government has funneled a lot of money into scientific research. Why is that?
Well, look, this is part of a much broader techno-nationalist approach to to advancing Chinese interests when it comes to economics, national security, obviously geopolitics.
So people, I just wanted to point out the fact that so much things have been going on quietly behind the scenes since this coronavirus. Well, there's going to be a lot more popping up. All right, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Peace.